Alright, so me and Alex have been out here. You could tell them what's up real quick. We kind of got halfway through it, but
we were distracted and shit. But we're blow-off valve, bro.
yes, sir. So we're doing the blow-off valve right now. We're kind of gonna do like a how-to, but we kind of we just barely started it because I just remembered. So this is a stock one right here. So this is a stock one, kind of lame. This is the new one. So it's just 3 bolts. So the 3 bolts go into this right here. So the 3 bolts go in, and then here, I don't know if I can flip this thing or whatever, but I'll show you. So I don't know if you can see on camera or not, but that shiny thing up in there, that's where the blow-off valve goes. You take those 3 bolts out, it comes out, and then it's literally just plug and play. So you stick that one back in.
No, we don't need this.
Nope, there's already a spring in there. So, yep,
Alright,
that's all it is.
let's try it. No way, man.
Right of the Ford ST. It's a 2016, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a 2016 Ford ST. You can kind of see him working on it up in there. He's just trying to fit the blow-off valve in right now.
Alright, bro. The valve is in. See it? We did this, dog.
Yes, sir.
We did this.
We did it.
I don't even know, dude. You're gonna have to hold it, bro. It's too weird for me.
Okay, I got you.
Oh, dude, it's just this one clamp, dog.
Yep, so he's putting the airline on right now. We go straight to it. So,
Let's see.
right up there. Okay, so we just put it in. He's in the car right now. He's gonna do the first start.
You ready?
Hopefully everything's good. Yep. Okay, now give her a fast rev. Just like. And she's on, pal. She's on. Let's go.
Go, baby. Let's go, bro.
Get your little clip out. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
We did it, bro.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if you'll be able to hear us, but
What do you think about what did you think about the process, brother?
the process is good. It's a good learning experience, honestly.
First time for both of us doing it.
Oh yeah, first time blow off this song. Sounds good. Luckily Ford made it easy. Didn't make it hard. Alright, here we go. Turn on the Mountain Dew.
Oh my god.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
That's so loud, dude.
Oh yeah. We're going 75 and it's like so loud.
That part is so crystal clear.
Oh yeah. Alright, so we rolled the windows up. We're going about 60. See how it sounds inside the car. You can still hear it pretty good. You can still hear it pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. With a little poppy. Little pop. Oh.
Bro. It's literally been a month, dude.
Got a month and you have full straight pipe exhaust. Yes, it sounds so good. I love it.
I'm not really trying to get pulled over.